What's the meaning of chargrill? Chargrill. Chargrill.
Chargrill. Chargrill. The term chargrill refers to a cooking method that involves placing food directly onto a heated grill, typically a gas or charcoal grill. The high heat of the grill causes the food to become seared on the outside while retaining its natural juices and flavors on the inside. The result is often a smoky, charred flavor and appearance that is highly desirable in certain types of cuisine, particularly barbecue. Chargrilling is a popular technique for cooking meats, vegetables, and even fruits, and can be used to create a wide range of dishes with a distinct and delicious flavor.